Tired of those vanilla visuals in your favorite unsupported games? Today, we're diving in to show you how to use Nvidia filters, even in games that don't officially support them. Unlocking a world of visual customization first. Make sure you have the latest Nvidia GeForce experience installed and are logged in. Once that's done, head into the options or settings of your game and find the setting for windowed mode or borderless windowed mode. Select either of these modes. This step is crucial for the fix to work. Next, launch your game, and then load up the Nvidia GeForce Experience overlay by pressing Alt+E. If the overlay does not appear, double-check your settings in the Nvidia GeForce Experience software to be sure. Within the overlay, find the Game Filter option, which often looks like 3 sliders. This is where the magic happens. Click on this filter option, select the first slot, and then start experimenting with the different filter presets. You can modify the color options and many other settings to fine-tune your looks. Check and see which option works best for your game. If you want to manually create your custom filter, you can configure each setting to tailor to your liking. Experiment with the sliders and visual options that appeal to you. And that's it. You have successfully applied Nvidia filters to an unsupported game. Now you can visually tune your games and take them to the next level without a lot of hard work. Now go forth and enjoy your visually enhanced game.